National Weather Service in Peachtree City flash flood warning for Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Barrow County in north-central Georgia, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Walton County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. At 7:11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lawrenceville, Conyers, Winder, Snellville, Buford, Lilburn, Loganville, Auburn, Stone Mountain, Dacula, Grayson, Oxford, Lithonia, Walnut Grove, Bethlehem, Between, Carl, Lakeview Estates, Georgia International Horse Park, and Kendler McAfee. Turn on T-Drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles